How to fix Instagram app not working or responding. Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok. To fix Instagram app not working, make sure you follow all these steps. First and foremost, clear the app data. To do this, open settings. Now scroll down and then search for applications. Now click on application and then click on manage apps. Again, scroll down and search for Instagram, or else simply click on the search icon and then type Instagram. Here on bottom right hand side of the screen, you can see this icon, clear data. So simply click on that and then you will see this pop up. So simply click on clear all data and click on OK. So this must be fixing your issues. If this still doesn't work, try updating your Instagram app. So to do this, simply go back to your home page and then open Play Store. Now on top of your screen, you can see this search icon. So simply click on that and then search for Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Here, as my Instagram is up to date, I can see this update icon. But on your screen, if it shows update, so simply click on update. Updating apps fix most of the issues and glitches. So if updating app still doesn't work, go back and try restarting your device. To do this, simply hold on your power button and then click on reboot. This is how you fix Instagram app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.